Today on the channel, we are going to do a little unboxing and assembly of this Big Shooter 3D archery buck that they say you could use broadheads or field points on. What is up, everybody, and welcome to the channel. Today we are going to do a little unboxing and review of an assembly of this 3D archery buck. And we picked this up at Field & Stream. It'll set you back about $80. I'm just looking for something cheap because I am building a 3D range in the backyard from an elevated position. That way we could practice shooting some realistic shots from the tree. So I figured let's pick up a couple 3D targets, and we picked up a couple of these, and I want to do a little unboxing for you. So the target says that you could either shoot broadheads or field tips at this. I'm not going to try the broadheads at this. I may. You'll have to stay tuned to the channel, hit that subscribe button, and ring that notification bell to find out if I do. But I'll be doing that from the out there on the range. But let's tear into this and see what we have here. So this, looking to put together a 3D range for me and a couple of the fellas. So I figured, went to Field & Stream and looking at some of the targets. We were doing a backyard budget range here, so you'll see that in the later videos. But here is the, which looks to be the insert, and it's pretty hefty. And then we have, looks to be the back leg. Then we have the front leg, and something's wiggling around in there. I am guessing is the stakes that you use to pound into the ground. And then we have the body itself of the target. Put this off to the side. And then we have the decorative antlers. And a little instruction manual on how to put it together. So let me get this all out of the way here, and then we'll throw it together and see what we got. So here's the main body of the target. And to put your inserts in, fairly simple. It is there's two different sizes, as you can see, and you just want to make sure you put it into the right side. And I guess you could shoot at both sides of it because it also has a target here. A mark here where you'd want to aim. But this represents like the vital areas. So when you're practicing, and then you have the legs, and here are the stakes that they give you to pound in the ground, so that way your target will stand up. And then we'll assemble the rear leg. Now we'll assemble the front leg. It looks like all they do is slide on there. And then if you want to make your target a buck, you could just put the antlers on. Well, to put these on, all you got to do, I'll come over there to show you how to do that. To put these on, all you got to do is, oh, there goes my insert. But all you got to do is find the notches where they go, and then all you do is just push them in. Which doing it this way is I'm fighting that thing, putting this in. Well, let me get this and I'll be right back. All right, now that we got the antlers all set up correctly, the insert back into the target, and here is the size of the target. It's about 36 inches high. It's not realistically looking like a deer, but it is realistically looking like a deer, if that makes any sense to you. But like you see some of the other targets companies that are out there where the ears are separated and stuff, but they pretty much well do all the same. They'll stop your arrow. Yeah, so we're looking to give this a whirl, and for the money you can't beat it for a 3D target. Give you a little bit of fun when you're out there shooting on the range. But so we're gonna get this out and get it set up in the range and see how things go. So till next time. Oh, one thing, if you are new to the channel, hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. And don't forget to ring that notification bell. So if you want to see more cool videos like this, we got some hunting coming up, some more product reviews we're going to be doing. So till next time, I'm Joe, driving trucks and hunting bucks is how I roll with Wicked Fabs.